Experiencing a failed factory reset on your Schlage Encode, you're not alone. Many users encounter this. The primary causes are often battery-related or due to software glitches. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to get your lock reset and working properly. A factory reset erases all custom settings on your Schlage Encode, returning it to its original state. This is useful for troubleshooting connectivity problems, forgotten codes, or before transferring ownership. The standard method involves holding the reset button inside the lock while cycling the batteries. However, this can fail if not done correctly. The most common reason for a failed factory reset is insufficient battery power. The Schlage Encode requires 4 AA lithium batteries, providing a total voltage above 5.6 volts. Alkaline batteries are not recommended, especially in cold weather. Check the battery voltage with a multimeter. Replace with fresh lithium batteries before attempting a reset. A homeowner on Reddit resolved a similar issue by checking the voltage and replacing their batteries. Open the Schlage Encode to access the interior components. Locate the reset button, referring to your user manual if needed. Ensure you have fresh lithium batteries installed. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds while briefly removing and reinserting the batteries. Observe the lock's indicator lights for confirmation of a successful reset. Pair with Schlage Home app for real-time guidance to prevent data loss. If battery replacement doesn't solve the problem, a software glitch may be the cause. Ensure your Schlage Encode has the latest firmware. Use the Schlage Home app to check for and install any available updates. Schlage issued a recall for certain Encode models from 2020-2023 due to capacitor issues. Check if your lock is affected. Consider using a multimeter to confirm battery voltage during troubleshooting. In some cases, the reset button itself may be faulty or the lock mechanism may be jammed. When standard troubleshooting doesn't work, advanced manual methods can help. Some users have successfully bypassed the reset button by using a paperclip to manually trigger the internal switch. A YouTube tutorial by Lockpicking Lawyer demonstrated this method for fixing a motor jam. For motor jams, disassembling the mechanism carefully can reveal the issue, similar to fixing a car door latch. Schlage is increasingly emphasizing app-guided resets. The Schlage Home app provides real-time assistance and reduces DIY failures. The Encode Plus model features predictive maintenance with IBM Watson, flagging potential reset issues before they occur. 65% of Encode owners prefer app-guided resets. If you've tried all troubleshooting steps without success, it's time to contact Schlage support for expert assistance. Persistent reset failures often point to a hardware defect that requires professional repair. Looking ahead, enhanced IoT security features like end-to-end encryption during resets will become standard in smart locks, protecting against hacking risks. Another trend is the adoption of long-life lithium-ion batteries, which will significantly reduce reset failures by maintaining stable voltage even in cold temperatures. Finally, proactive maintenance through regular battery checks, firmware updates, and app diagnostics is key to avoiding expensive support costs and ensuring your Schlage Encode works reliably.